Water is collecting around your kitchen faucet, but the base may not be where the leak begins. Dry everything completely and perform this simple test before buying any replacement parts. Turn on the faucet without touching the spout. Watch the handle, the base, and the countertop. If water begins near the handle and travels downward, the cartridge seal may be damaged or its retaining nut may be loose. If everything stays dry, rotate the spout slowly from side to side. Water appearing only while the spout moves usually points to worn O-rings inside the base. Shut off the water, remove the spout according to its design, and replace the O-rings with exact size replacements. Use a small amount of plumber-approved silicone grease, never petroleum jelly, during reassembly. Still haven't found it? Open the cabinet and wrap a dry paper towel around each supply line connection. Run the faucet again. The first towel that becomes wet identifies the leaking fitting. Tighten it gently, but replace the supply hose if it is cracked, swollen, or corroded. If all these areas remain dry, inspect the pull-out sprayer hose and check whether ordinary splashing is running underneath the faucet. Always trace water upward to the first wet point. Where it begins reveals the repair, where it collects often doesn't. Try the test and comment which source you discovered.